Hey you guys, in today's vid we will be doing a quick speed build of the family home. If you guys are wondering, we are moving houses and we'll still be in Spain but just in Malaga. And also if you want to use any inspo, then that will be okay, but just make sure to give the credits to Toca. Okay guys, let's get on with the video. Okay, so I'll just be doing like the front bit now, like the very front bit. So I'm just going to be putting down some bikes and stuff and just like mixing it around. So yeah. So I've done the front bit of the house, so now I'm just going to do the garden. Now we're going to move on to the kitchen. Okay guys, so I did the downstairs bit and I totally forgot to press record when I was doing the bathroom. So this is the bathroom and I also forgot to record the twins room. So that's the twins room. And now I'm just going to be adding Macy's room. Okay guys, if you like this speed build, please like and subscribe and comment to get a shout out in the next video. Okay guys, so I will see you in my next video. Bye!